Today I'm going to be unboxing some gear that was sent to me. It's just a couple of things that I plan on using this year for the channel and for fishing trips and camping and stuff like that. I figured I'd unbox them on today's video and do a little review with you guys. Stick around. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new here, my name's TJ, welcome to Kayak USA. Today's video, like I said, we're just gonna be unboxing a few things here on the channel. A couple of pieces of gear that the company's reached out to me and asked me if I'd like to try out their gear. I get a lot of gear that way on this channel, and there's a couple of things that I know that I'm gonna be using. I've got them in the mail this week, and I kinda wanna unbox them and go over them with you. And if you like them, I'll link everything in today's video below. So we're gonna save this big boy right here for last. I've already kinda opened it up and peeked in there. But the first thing we're gonna unbox today is this Techoss, I think it's T-E-C-H-O-S-S. Techoss Portable Power Station. Now, if you're familiar with my channel, you know me and you know I love power banks. Let me show you. I have got the Bixby power bank, which is amazing. I've got the Ice Hole Power Adventure box. And where is my Yakin' Shack? Well, I got it on top of the TV over there, but I'm in the refrigerator, it's right up top, but I got a Yakin' Shack. I love them. All power boxes they're great in different ways. Like each of these power boxes, I don't think one is necessarily better than the other. They each serve a different purpose, and I use them for specific things when I go camping or when I go fishing and stuff like that. Techoss reached out to me. They have a big one. It's kind of like a Jackery, and it's even got about the same colors, but you can get it on Amazon. I guess I'm gonna unbox this thing right in front of you guys, so we'll both find out what all's in here. Charger, AC power cord. Oh, that is it's the same thing a GoPro takes, that plug. I can't remember the name of it for some reason. And a strap. Now that is one thing I've seen on their website. This strap is really cool for this battery, or this power supply, or whatever you wanna call it. And there's the box. It's not very heavy, and that is it in the box. But you can see that it's a 300 watt, 80,000 milliamp. So this is a pretty big power pack, and it's designed for outdoor use, for camping, running, things like a refrigerator, which I might drag my fridge up here and we plug it up and see how well it works if it's got a charge to it. I know a lot of these like to ship with a charge, but check it out. It's not very heavy. Battery capacity is 86,400 milliamp hour, 311 watt hour, and it's got a bunch of other stuff on the back. So this side, let's turn it on. Yeah, it's got a battery. It's got a little bit of a charge anyway. I don't know if you can see it on the, let me hold it out there, but it's got this really cool two little leather things sticking out on the side. And you can actually put this strap on it. And one of the hardest things to do when you go camping and you're unloading everything and moving stuff around is being able to carry it. So it's got a good heavy duty built-in handle there, and a strap where you can throw it over your shoulder or strap it to hang it on a tree or something in the woods if you're using it. It's got a 12 volt 3 amp power source for laptops. It's actually got two of those. You open that up, it's got a 12 volt 10 amps, like one of them old cigarette lighter plugs. It has what is that called again? You guys know what I'm talking about. It's the same thing on the new GoPro plugs and the new cell phones. It's not the Lightning, I think it's the mini USB, or micro USB. I think that's what that is. So it's got that, and it's got a 5 volt 2 amp USB port. It's got a little flashlight right there. I think you can see that. It's got a bright flashlight, actually. Look how bright that thing is. It beeps when you cut it off. There's a SOS mode, yes. It would help if I read the instructions, but I don't think none of us ever do. On this side, it has a regular outlet, like a wall outlet, and it is a 110 volt VC, and it's got a DC charging port for the side right there. That is to charge the battery pack. So let's see if there's enough in here where I can drag my fridge up. I don't know if there is or not. It looks pretty low. I know they're usually shipped with a little bit of juice in them, but not a whole lot of juice. I'll put this on charge, and it's turned it off, so I think it's dead. So I'll put this on charge real quick, and we will open up the other big box. I like to share that one with you guys too. That one I'm excited to get. But if you guys are interested in this, I don't even know if I'm on screen right now. I'm still talking to you guys. If you guys are interested in any of this stuff in today's video, I'll have it linked in the video description below. Y'all go check it out. This power pack that I'm plugging up probably off camera right now you can get it on Amazon. There we go, she's charging. It only had like 1 bar, so I didn't want to try to hook it up to the fridge and it not do anything. I should have had it open and charged it, but I wanted to unbox it with you guys. So this thing that I'm gonna be unboxing is, it says kayak seat, but it's not a kayak seat. This thing is from campingandkayaking.com, and it is one of their new kayak carts with the balloon wheels. Now this is one flat balloon wheel right here, but you air these jokers up, and these are supposed to be amazing on sand. Especially, these are like really designed to be through loose sand and stuff like that, because a lot of the other ones, if you've ever tried to drag your kayak on a regular, you know, rubber wheel cart, it just piles up the sand and it makes a mess and you can't drag it through. But it even comes with a little leash, your pins, that goes around it. And this one is supposed to be really cool because it's got a built-in kickstand. If I can get this thing, high quality too. I mean, this is a really nice kayak cart. So it opens up, it's mostly already assembled. You just got to slide the wheels on and put air in the tires. And I think that they only hold like 4 PSI. Yeah, it says warning maximum air pressure 3 PSI, so I was wrong. So it don't take much air at all to air these tires up. And it's got a strap on either side. You just throw it up under your kayak and strap it on. Straps are built right onto the rack. Let's see if I can get the other tire out. And that is it in the box. It's got eBay sticker all over it, because if you go to campingandkayaking.com's website, I think they sell these through eBay. They've got like an eBay store, because I think the shipping's better or something like that. I'm not sure, but that's where they got them. And I'll link it below if you want to check out one of these kayak carts. If you do check out one of these kayak carts, put in the little memo section if you buy one you found out from Kayak USA. That'll let them know that you've seen the video and you're getting them from there. But let's try to air this thing up real quick. I don't think it's recommended to do this. You should do it with there went my cap. You should definitely do it with just a hand pump, because I'm just gonna have to barely bump this to get air in. There's one. Look at that. And we'll do this one. I knew that would happen. Sorry about that. My air compressor kicked on. It's just a little pancake air compressor. It kicks on anytime I bump the air nozzle, but that's what the tires look like once you air them up. And in the bag, I believe it even comes with a paddle leash. Cinch Lock Pro gear leash. Yeah, they even send it with a gear leash, which that's pretty cool. If you follow my channel, you know I use these everywhere. I use these on my dual sport. I use them on my bass boat, my kayaks, because they're not just like a single purpose use. Look at that. They stretch out really good. They got a loop on both sides with a campingandkayaking.com carabiner. That's really cool to have. But in there, it's also got your 2 pins for your wheels, and they just slide right on the cart. Just like this. And this cart really don't weigh anything. It's a little bit heavy once you get the tires on it, but it's not too bad. And I like how this thing folds up. That's why I wanted this one. This one folds flat, so If you park really far away from where you got to push your kayak to the water, you don't have to walk this all the way back and lock it up in your car. It'll fold flat and you can stick it in the back of your kayak. And even if you've got like a little tiny air pump, you could let the air out of these, collapse them down and stick them inside, like inside the hatch on your kayak or something like that. So that'd be pretty cool. But look at that. That is awesome right there. And the straps, you just set this up on your kayak and throw the straps over, and it's got these little quick release cinches on there, just like a, if you're familiar with motorcycle straps, we just run the red one through here, cinch it tight, and it'll pull it right over top of it. I really like this. I've been waiting on this cart. I ordered it last week and I've been super excited to get it. I almost just opened it without you guys, but I figured I'd show it to you. I'll link it below if you're interested or in the market for a kayak cart this year. I really like this one. I can't wait to use it. I'm actually gonna be using this tomorrow. I'm going on a fishing trip. It's gonna be the first trip out with the Torqeedo motor on this build. If you are not familiar with my channel, go back and look at my last 2 videos. I'm building this kayak for a local marina called Bucks Island. And the last video I installed a Torqeedo motor. Tomorrow we are putting this thing on the water. All right guys, that is gonna do it for this video. If you're interested in anything that you've seen in today's video, it'll be linked below. The Techoss Portable Power Station, it will be linked very top of the description. Check it out. It's an Amazon link, so it'll take you straight to Amazon and show you where you can get it. I'll also be linking the Kayak Cart below, and anything else you've seen in my videos, you can always click the kit.co/kayakusa link. That's my personal page. I try to group together everything that I use for fishing, DIY, camping, stuff like that. I go ahead and find the links, put them in a big group on my page. So if you see something in a video and you want to check it out, you can always click my link below and go straight to it. So I appreciate you guys for watching. If you're not subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you like today's video, hit that thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.